When you have 600 hives in situ and you decide on a new design, it's not enough just to create a new one, it's got to be retrofittable. We don't want 5 different types of hive over time in Ku-ring-gai, we want one Ku-ring-gai hive. So you can see around me the sort of effort that's required to retrofit 600 hives. And in fact, this is only part of what we're going to require for the 2017 season. Let's get rid of this foam box. Okay, so I want you to imagine we've got 600 hives looking like this in a foam box. We want the new design to work, so we've got to retrofit them. So if you look closely, you'll see that these two are different. This one, you can actually see the foam. This box, you can't see the foam. The foam is covered by plywood. So perhaps you're thinking, why did they create 2 different boxes? How does this work? Well, it's fairly simple. We've got to be able to put the old oath boxes into the new KOATH. So imagine we've got a hive. We've just split this hive. And in fact, we're going to do this in the field. You're going to see the very first split of an old oath into a KOATH. We're going to split this hive. We've turned it upside down. Voila. We fit it inside the KOATH. This is the whole key to this. It actually fits inside, and then this fits on top. We now have our brand new system, the KOATH. Now there's another subtle advantage. If you look here, there's a hole in both halves. So you see the hole here, and if we spin this around, see the hole here. We've actually not only incorporated the foam, because basically this hive is plywood sandwiching foam. So the foam is inside, will last forever, we hope, but each hive has a hole. This now means that the bees can get really good insulation happening. They can get the hot air coming out one hole, or they can seal it up. It actually gives the bees a chance to regulate their temperature much more effectively. Now we have a better system for the bees to regulate their own temperatures. We get rid of the foam box. We don't have to worry about water in the foam box. But of course, we're using the small hive beetle protector. Voila! So now we have the pipe. We've incorporated foam within the construction of the box, and we've given the bees the ability to insulate their own box. This means that as Sydney experiences greater extremes of climate due to climate change, that these KOATH boxes are going to cope with it so much better, and the bees are going to be safe. Okay, we've got a special moment coming up now. You're going to be able to watch the first retrofit of a oath to a KOATH. Fingers crossed.